Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am back with practice set 2 based on pipes and cistern or taps and tank. Of course, this set is also a part of work and time, work and wages. Only the thing, if the learner has gone through the discussion, there is no problem to solve the questions. Here also we are not going to make use of any pen or paper. So let us see the question solution. Question 1. Tap A, B and C can fill a tank in 6, 9 and 18 minutes respectively. In how many minutes all these together can fill the same tank? प्रश्न 1. टैप ए, बी व सी एक टैंक को क्रमशः 6, 9 और 18 मिनट में भर सकते हैं। ये सभी मिलकर उस टैंक को कितने मिनटों में भर सकते हैं? Here we will take LCM of 6, 9 and 18. यहाँ हम 6, 9 और 18 का लघुत्तम समापवर्त लेंगे जो कि 18 है और 18 ही हमारा टोटल वर्क यूनिट्स यानी कि टोटल काम है जिसको कि होना है टैप्स के द्वारा। तो 18 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 विल गिव एफिशिएंसी 3, 18 divided by 9 will give efficiency 2 and 18 divided by 18 will give efficiency 1. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 6 is the combined efficiency of all the taps. So 18 divided by 6 equal to 3 minutes. All these taps will be able to fill the tank in 3 minutes. Pipe A, B and C together can fill a cistern in 15 hours, A and B in 20 hours. In how many hours pipe C alone can fill the same cistern? Here we can see the LCM of 15 and 20 comes 60. So 60 divided by 15 gives efficiency 4, 60 divided by 20 gives efficiency 3. So efficiency of pipe A plus B plus C is 4 and of A plus B it is 3. Clearly efficiency of pipe C is 4 minus 3 equal to 1 unit per hour. So this pipe C will be able to fill the tank in 60 divided by 1 equal to 60 hours यानी कि पाइप सी 60 घंटे में इस सिस्टर्न को भर देगा। Pipe operator A and B took a cistern to fill for rupees 6,000 and in 20 hours time pipe operator A has ability to fill this cistern alone in 30 hours. What is the share of operator A? पाइप ऑपरेटर A व B ने एक सिस्टर्न को भरने के लिए 6,000 रुपये और 20 घंटे समय में भरने की बात की। पाइप ऑपरेटर A इसी को 30 घंटे में भरने की क्षमता रखता है। ऑपरेटर ए का हिस्सा कितना है? Here we can see LCM of 20 and 30 is again 60. So 60 divided by 20 gives efficiency 3 and 60 divided by 30 gives efficiency 2. So combined efficiency of pipe A and B is 3 and of pipe A it is 2. So efficiency of pipe B is clearly 3 minus 2 equal to 1 unit per hour. Clearly efficiency ratio of pipe A and B is 2:1 means 3x, that is the total efficiencies, 2 plus 1 means 2x plus 1x equal to 3x equal to 6000. So x equal to 2000. Clearly, share of operator A is 2x. 2x means 2 into 2000 equal to 4000 is the share of operator A. Tap A and B can fill a cistern tank in 12 minutes, B and C in 20 minutes, C and A in 30 minutes. A, B and C together can fill that tank in how much time? Tap A और B एक टैंक को 12 मिनट में, बी और सी 20 मिनट में, सी और ए 30 मिनट में भर सकते हैं। ए, बी और सी साथ मिलकर उस टैंक को कितने समय में भर सकते हैं? दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ओनली द थिंग we should have practice. Let us take LCM of 12, 20 and 30. It comes 60. 60 divided by 12 gives 5. 60 divided by 20 gives 3. 60 divided by 30 gives 2. So combined efficiency of twice of tap A plus B plus C comes 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So efficiency of tap A plus B plus C is half of 10, means 5 units per minute. So all these three taps A plus B plus C will be able to fill the tank in 60 divided by 5 equal to 12 minutes. Tap A has a feed rate of 50 liters per minute and tap B 100 liters per minute. If time taken by tap A is 10 minutes and tap B is 5 minutes, what is the tank capacity? टैप ए की फीड रेट 50 लीटर प्रति मिनट है और टैप बी की 100 लीटर प्रति मिनट है। यदि टैप ए ने 10 मिनट और टैप बी ने 5 मिनट समय लिया, टैंक की धारिता कितनी है? इन द वेरी फर्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कशन वी डिस्कस्ड दैट द identity of efficiency or feed rate or flow rate is to be known. So that is per unit, means 50 liter per unit is the feed rate of tap A and 100 liter per liter is the feed rate of tap B. Since time is given for tap A 10 minutes, for tap B it is 5 minutes. So as I told in the discussion that if we take efficiency or flow rate or feed rate as right hand and T as left hand, so multiplication of left hand and right hand will gives the total work units, means total capacity of the tank. So 50 into 10 means 500 liters, 5 into 100 means 500 liters. So tank capacity is 500 liters. Thanks for watching. Keep on revising, keep on learning. Practice makes a man perfect. So please practice well and go back if you are in doubt to understand the things.